Today I am talking about these stocks. This stocks price almost 100 dollar, and here you can see these stocks make in today 1% return. If you see the last 5 days return, which means 15% return. Hey, I am not to telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I am just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see these stocks how much return make in the last 1 month, and if you see these stocks how much return make in the last 1 years and last 6 months, you can see these stocks make approximately 100% return, which means dual money. And after all, these stocks make in the 1 year's return, which is 4x return, which is very good return for Intel company investors. And over the last 5 years, these stocks make average return and maximum return. If you see these stocks approximately 250x return. But always do your own research before investing and follow for more US stocks breakdowns.